Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you and tell you how to cut carrots easily, and this will be a full tutorial. So without further ado, let's get right into this instructional video tutorial. As you can see right over here, I have some carrots and I have a knife, and this is basically all that you need in order to cut carrots. Now there are so many different ways to cut carrots, but I'm going to show you like this, the focus of this video is easily. So these are just a couple of the easiest options. Now obviously make sure that you are being absolutely as safe as you can possibly be whenever you're doing this, because we are indeed cutting things, we are cutting carrots using a knife. So make sure you're being absolutely as safe as you can possibly be. So basically, I'm just gonna hold it over here so you can sort of see what I'm doing. But the first option is gonna be a thicker slice, which is gonna be something like this, okay? And in order to do that, you take the knife and you just wanna make sure you cut through the carrot, but you're gonna make sure that the slices are gonna be fairly thick. As you can see, I'm making sure that they're fairly thick. And I'm doing this on a cutting board, obviously, so make sure that you're doing your best to keep everything clean and being as safe as you can possibly be, and so on and so forth. So basically, you're just going straight through, but you make sure that the slices are fairly thick, okay? Now the other one is gonna be a thinner slice like this, something like this. So same idea, we're just going straight down, okay? But essentially we are just doing a thinner slice. So I'm just doing a little bit less of the thickness, and I'm just going straight down like that. And essentially what we're left with is nice slices that are pretty thin, right? That's another option, okay? And you can even go thicker than that if you want, or even thinner than this if you want. But these ones, as you can see, are quite thinner, okay? The other option is gonna be like quartering a slice, which is gonna end up with something like this. Basically, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna get a slice as thick or as thin as you want, and then we're gonna cut into quarters. So we're gonna do basically almost like a T, like a lowercase t. So I'm gonna go straight across this way, just like that. I'm gonna turn it, and I'm gonna go straight across the other way now. And what we're left with are 4 quarters, as you can see right here. So I've now quartered that slice. I'll do one more, but I'll do it a little bit thinner. So I'm gonna do a little bit of a thinner one, something like that. So once again, I'm just gonna do a lowercase t. So I'm gonna go straight across over here. I'm gonna rotate it 90 degrees, and then straight across this way over here. And what we're left with are thinner quartered slices, just like that. Really, really easy to do. And that's basically it. Hopefully you enjoyed this video tutorial. I've actually got nothing else to say, nothing else to show you. So with nothing else, we are going to roll the outro for this video. So without further ado, here is the official outro for this specific video. And I honestly know I've said it enough, so for real, not gonna beat around the bush anymore. For real, I promise, last time I'm saying it, here is the outro. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.